good morning! Today will be a marvelous ride because today mainly will be with us, and she's very nice. We did Greece together and with Nina and Wilson. It was a great trip. Well, enjoy it. Will be a very nice video. Stay tuned. Here we are, the Three Musketeers riding in Curitiba. Here we are. Tell me about this place.
I love this place. It's my favorite place in Curitiba.
So now it's apple time. Nina is eating her apple already. And I'm gonna get mine.
An apple all day?
Keeps the doctor away. Perfect. Take us to the bosque, to the little forest that we went yesterday. It's beautiful. I'm glad that I use insect repellent. Yesterday I forgot. I got a lot of bites. Saying that when they changed the light posts, they're made of eucalyptus, and they make all the bridges with those posts. This one, it's a newer bridge, so it's probably made of newer eucalyptus wood, but the first ones are made of light posts. That's neat. She knows everything. Ah, que bacana! There we go! time that you see this in the trees, that means the air is very pure. Danny? Look, Manny knows all about the cycle path, the cycle lines in Curitiba. Tell us about it.
Então, Curitiba tem muitos parques em volta dele. Curitiba. Aqui, em volta da cidade, foram criados parques, onde você vê os rios aqui, ó, para que a cidade seja drenada para esses rios, para evitar enchentes. Surgiram as ciclovias para interligar os parques em volta. Isso na década de 70, né? Depois eles foram aprimorando, fizeram algumas ciclovias na cidade.
Wow, it's a lot, but it's still, we always want some more, but it's so beautiful. You should come to see the parks here. The parks are so nice. Look at this one here. They did the hydraulic using to provide light for the park. So all the light of the park comes from here. Look how cool. That's in the park itself. That's all for today. This is a beautiful building made of steel that mainly says one of the best example of architecture in Curitiba. If you did like the video, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe, please do. And beside the subscribe button, that is the little bell. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.